let's say that you've been asked to install a D63 light, so that's brighter, and you need to install both D63s for both of these. What you do is you come over to the app, go to Actions, Settings. You can see the classification here. If I tap on that, by default, it's on D40. If I change that to D63 Save, I can save this as a template, call it board, and I can see that that has the board template there on the top right, and apply it to the other one by going Actions, Apply Recent Settings Template, Board, and then both lights will have D63. The Maslin has no test result because it's brand new. To set up the testing schedule for the Maslin, what we'll do is we'll head to Actions, heading to Settings, and we can see the next test time and date, and for how long it will discharge for. We could choose between 90, 120, or until the battery runs flat, and the test start condition. With force start, it will test even though it's brand new and it's not fully charged. Now that all the lights are commissioned, you're going to have to test. So we'll jump forward to 6 months in the future and get to testing.